Hi besties, here are 4 companies that pay you every single 3 months for the whole year repeatedly for just owning their stocks. This is one of the reasons why I love the US stocks, okay? And because they pay in dollars, you already know naira to dollar is usually higher. So these are the 4 companies that do pay you every 3 months, every year, so far you own their stocks. And wait a minute, you can actually own these stocks in fractions, meaning you can use $10 to buy, you can use $3 to buy, you can use $10 to buy. You don't need to buy the whole stock. For everything you have, you will earn. So the first one is VERIZON. VERIZON is one of them. They pay $10 billion in dividends to investors. Can you believe that? The second one is Target. Target is a big mall in US. So for everyone that comes there to shop, they make a lot of profits. And guess what? They pay out $2 billion every year to investors, and you're missing out. Can you repeat that? Now, the third company is Microsoft. I'm sure we all know Microsoft. We all use laptop, we have phones, and we have Binge in our phones. Can you beat that? These companies are paying over $20 billion every 3 months. And then the last one is Apple. Apple phone, Apple Watch, all those things, they pay in over $400 billion in dividends. So today, think about it. I'm your bestie, so I tell you the right thing to do. So take it from me and do the needful. Why am I telling you this? I'm not telling you to particularly go and buy these companies. What I'm trying to say is that I'm just sharing with you good information that you can use. People are making money from these companies every single month. So you can see it's more like a cashback. You know, you bought something. It's like you're coming to my shop to buy something. And at the end of 3 months, I will just decide to give you maybe 15% or 10% back every single year. You know you would definitely love to come back to that same shop to buy, right? So if you like this type of content, do not forget to like, subscribe, and follow these videos that I'll be dropping. Just trust me, you'll be learning a lot of money tips from me. I am your money bestie, and this is my channel.